Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to retain that green color of a piece while cooking your stew and your rice dishes. So you'll start by washing and rinsing your piece. On a medium heat, you're going to place your cooking pot and then you'll add your piece. And then you're going to add water that is enough to cook your piece. And then add some salt. And remember, you are not going to cover, guys. After adding your salt, you're just going to leave it in order for it to cook for around 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your preference. So after 15 minutes, drain the hot water and then you're going to run a cold water to stop the cooking process. And that is it, guys. Stay tuned for more of my recipes. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload another video. Until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.